Hello everyone. I'm happy to be doing another pour. I haven't done a pour in a while. And today I'm using some colors that actually were kind of like mixed in the last pour that I did. It was a color split, but I'm going to try that color split again because it wasn't exactly the kind of color split I wanted to do. But let me show you, it's the little colors that I saw that made me want to do this color, or the pour for this color. So if you can see that, and I'll show you another one. So if you can't see it, because I'm not sure, there it is. The colors are the Graphite, and then it's a Grape, Taffy, French wine, and then a champagne gold. So I said I was interested to see what this would come out like, because it looked nice on that little swatch that I just showed you, the drips anyway from the paint. So I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to do 2 at a time because I want to try to keep them in the frame for you. So let's get started. So I'm going to try the gold champagne first, and I don't know how it's going to turn out. I'm just doing the color combinations that I think may work. So I'm not sure. And if I don't like it, I'll just redo it. The next one I'm going to use, the first one I used was that gold champagne, and that's Craft Smart. The next one is a Craft Smart French wine. And then this one, the last one, is this Grape Taffy. I've said in previous videos, lilac, but it's Grape Taffy. And if it doesn't come out the way I want to, maybe I'll add more colors. I'll just see the way it comes out. So let's give those a torch. And oh, if you're wondering, this cup in the background, which is in the video, I apologize for that. I have some wet paint up under there I'm trying to save for skin. So that's why I have it sitting there. I didn't want to stop my video for it. It's okay, but I don't think I like that. I think that I need to add cell activator, because it really doesn't look like it's anything. The paint is just sitting there. And I think that my base is a little thicker too. That's why you have to try, and then if you don't like it, redo it. Be back, guys. Okay, you guys. This one, I went back and put the white cell activator on. So let's see if it turns out any different. I'm most likely going to redo this one, but let's try this one first. I think what I'm going to try to do is blow it a little bit. Looks like it will look a little better than that other one. And I'm going to go back and put some more on that other one to see what it comes out like. Let me see if I can blow it just a little bit. It seems to be moving just a little bit. Let's give this other one a go. I'm going to go back and put some of the graphite in the middle and just try to start these colors back over. I just don't want it to be too much of the other colors because I had to go back. So let's try this again. Okay, I know this one's going to be different because it has more paint on it. And then we'll just move these out the way. That was very different because it had a lot of paint on it. Looks like it's selling up a good bit. I'm going to see what happens. I want to move them to the side before I brought the other ones up. So let me try to give that a go and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, everyone. So I moved those up and hopefully it's not too much of a shadow. I've learned that the ring light is kind of changing. The light seems like it's better without the ring light. So that's why I gave this video a go without it. The last video didn't have it on there either. So I'll just see, you know, how this does. I'm still learning, you guys. And so I'm just trying to make it better for you. Okay, let's see how these are going to turn out. And you know, when I get done, I'm going to show you how these turned out. And the last one that I added more paint back onto, I think that one looks great. It just has so much more paint on it than the other one. So let me try to get it right the first time. If not, though, I'll just go back over again. All right, so the first one is going to be Champagne Gold. Champagne Gold is almost like a 24 karat spritz and turns into beauty. Okay. See if I can, because there's a lot of paint on that other one. I don't even see the Grape Taffy on the one that I went back over. It disappeared in there. So I'm going to add some more. And then, you know, I brought in the white cell activator because it just didn't look as good without it. Okay. Let's give that a try. I'm trying to do them, well, I'll just go and do this other one as well, but I was trying to do them one at a time. I didn't want the paint to roll off of it. And I got a little piece of Champagne Gold on there when I was doing blowing or something. It dropped on that one, but hopefully it won't matter. That first one is really moving fast. The paint is moving. Must not be too level. I tried to change the base because I wanted you guys to be able to see it because the other cups were a little too tall. But it just looks like this one is just rolling down. And I'm going to definitely go upward with that one because it's already trying to roll off the towel. What I'm trying to do with the blow dryer there is break up some of that white, but I'm probably going to have to go in and blow it some more. Okay. There are some cells there, but they're, you know, only in certain spots, and I wanted to break up some more. Okay, so I'm going to let that rest, and hopefully it'll do something else. And I'm going to bring you guys down so that you can see it. So give me just a minute. Hey, here it is, you guys. So this is the result. I went back and blew it a little bit more, and I torched it more so that some of that white paint could come off of there. Well, you know, the white cell activator. So these were the last two that I did. And then these are the first two. This one you can barely see the Grape Taffy. You can still see the Grape Taffy in that one. But you can barely see the Grape Taffy in that one. But the cells are so pretty, I don't want to redo it. And I'm sorry that they're all scattered out. I just didn't want to have all of them in the frame and you couldn't see them. Also, I don't want to move them because I don't want the paint to shift. So, I will be posting these most likely on Etsy. I don't post everything on Etsy because things are not moving. You know, they don't always move like they're supposed to. And you still have to pay for it. So, if you're interested in anything that I do on the videos, you can always email me if you don't see it on Etsy. You can email me at creativedesignsbyyr@gmail.com. Or you can go to the Etsy, etsy.com/shop/creativedesignsbyyr. Again, you guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can also email me as well and leave comments. I love comments, everyone. You know, I love those comments. So I look forward to your comments. And please give me some color suggestions. No one's giving me really a lot of feedback on the colors. So I would like to know what colors you like to see. I think that turned out pretty well. I really like it. I think that was a good color combo that I would have never thought of if it wouldn't have been something that was just like a mistake, you know, that the color swatch that came from that little color split that I did. And I'm going to try that color split again, but I'm going to try it different. And I also want to try something else. I saw another artist do on a canvas. I want to try it on the coaster. And I will reference that artist when I do it. But thank you everyone for watching my videos. And I hope to get better. And I hope to have better videos for everyone. And I just hope that you're learning and we all can learn together. See you the next time.